this is Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to use up those extra tomatoes. I know right now my tomatoes are coming in, my neighbor's tomatoes are coming in, and I've made salsa and I've canned regular tomatoes and I'm working my way towards sauce, and this is a nice supper to make that uses up those extra tomatoes and also allows you to use a pint jar of canned chicken, or equivalent, a pint is 2 cups, so 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken. This is a nice, not quick, it has to happen through stages throughout the day. I apologize in advance because there's a lot going on in my house right now. Part of this will be silent and I'll interject in between when I can and speak. Used water to seal the edges here. You're putting it in a non-stick baking pan, but I've also put a silicone baking liner in there. If you don't have a baking liner, you could butter it. And I'm just going to be cutting it into rolls. And putting it in my pan. I am leaving some space in between the rolls because we are going to let it sit for 30 minutes to rise, and so it is going to expand in my pan. Okay, once I get it in the pan, I'm going to let it stand for 30 minutes and then we'll come back. You're going to want to preheat your oven for 350 somewhere during this, waiting for it for the 30 minutes. Okay, our 30 minutes is up and we're going to pop it in the oven, and it's been preheating at 350. You're going to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes, and you want to start checking it at 15 minutes because depending on the water content of your tomatoes, and there's a lot of little factors that make each time you make this recipe a little bit different, because all of these little variants, like how much water content was in the tomato, what kind of tomatoes, how big the tomatoes, all of that. Start checking at 15 minutes. So we're just going to put it in just like this, uncovered, and let it cook. Okay, it's out of the oven, and you might have to, like we said, when it gets to a certain 15 minutes to start checking it. And at that point, you might tap on, if you put them together close like I did, you might want to check the internal part to make sure the bread part has cooked all the way through. And if it looks like it's not, you're going to have to do at 5-minute increments until it feels solid. So top it with cheddar cheese if you wanted to, or a marinara sauce or whatever, but I think that the cream cheese inside the mix provides just enough moisture. So this has been Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm with these easy chicken rolls. I hope you're able to use up some of those extra tomatoes. Talk to you later. Bye.